What's up, guys? I got some really exciting news today. XRP has finally broken out of our 6+ year macro triangle. Look at this, guys. We finally got the breakout as of these last like 48, 72 hours, breaking out to the downside. What an unbelievable sight to see, after all this time, of this like accumulation, this massive triangle. We finally have broken out to the downside. You could adjust maybe like this, doesn't really matter. We've definitely clearly broken some level of rising support. We set a massive new lower low here on this like accumulation, reaccumulation phase. We broke all these significant support levels that we were holding, and we came down and touched 38 cents. So right now sitting around 43. The only hope that you could really hold on to now structurally on this chart would be closing the weekly back in this kind of falling wedge at around 45 cents. So we'll see if we can get that close tomorrow. That would help for sure. That would make it look like there's a shot that this thing isn't going to crumble. But the other bit of hopium that you could have now is that we have the previous triangle that XRP had. It as well broke down, saw more downside for weeks, and then reversed out of there and went on that parabolic bull run. So anything can happen, obviously. We know that in this space. And I'm still holding. I actually just bought a little bit more. Nothing crazy. I'm done with all my major accumulating, buying all my bags. But, I was like, let me put in one more order at 40 cents. Just to say I got some at 40 cents if this does happen to be the last dip. But you could see our RSI on the weekly here. Also super, super low levels. Let me just make this bigger actually so you could see. So this is almost as low as our RSI was before the 2020-2021 bull run. It is way lower than it was before we took off in 2017. And you can see we're kind of printing maybe like a macro inverse head and shoulders here on the RSI, but who knows? Time will tell. Let's just run through some tweets. Again, maybe give you a little hopium for the day because the market's having pretty shit. We're seeing a decent little bounce across the board. I'm not convinced yet that the bottom is in or that the pain is over. It's definitely a possibility, but I'm not going to hold my breath. And again, my plan is staying the same. It's always stayed the same. Buy, accumulate, hold, and once there is euphoria and insane like adoption, then get out of the market and take profits. So here from the block bull, XRP also forming a doji candle on the weekly, signaling indecision against Bitcoin. Historically, XRP rallied the full measure move within 8 weeks. Last time this occurred, measure move is 6,000%. So yeah, that's the one other bit of hopium we could hold on to here. XRP versus Bitcoin still looks okay. We did not set a new low. In fact, we're still coming up off this low. If we look at the RSI here, we printed bullish divergence, and we've kind of bounced up off that low since. So this thing could be set up for a crazy run. Broke out of that major descending resistance we were under since last July. So we'll see. Could be a positive indicator. Like I said, I'm going to give you all the hopium I can today. DXY down, XRP up, Bitcoin up. Look at the inverse correlation between the dollar index and XRP. And then he's just showing this chart here how it looks pretty similar to the last time the XRP had that parabolic bull run. Now we're looking for the downtrend here in the DXY and for that Bitcoin breakout of previous all-time highs. XRP season is coming. $10 plus is programmed, just showing how all these Bitcoin people going one way and then the one guy going this way for XRP. Yes, you are all wrong. And that's how I feel most of the time. Might have to, put that as like my YouTube banner or something, because that's how it feels being an XRP holder for sure. Here from Jack the Rippler, don't be fooled. XRP is preparing for or preparing to pump hard. I'm not sure exactly if this chart is good. I don't know if it accounts for how low it went the other day, but again, just showing a little falling wedge. I think it's possible. Again, we just need to see where we close the weekly tomorrow, in my opinion. Reposting as X deleted previous post. XRP is now down 27% from 2 weeks ago, exactly the same as in 2017 before a 1400% mega pump in only 3 weeks. So again, a lot of people alluding to the fact that before we got that big move in 2017, we did break structure to the downside. It looked really bad, and then things took off. So let me see actually if I can pull the bars pattern. And if we pull this over, let's see if we line this up. So yeah, look, if you line up like this little move up right here, kind of lines up pretty well with seeing this move down right here. And then, like I said, it would suggest that we kind of meander around for a few more weeks, but then eventually we do start, coming out of here swinging. And that would have confluence also with the fact that we're probably going to get the court decision here soon, and that'll be a massive catalyst to hopefully send things to the upside. Still think the next leg up for XRP hits $3 to $4. This channel has supported XRP since July 2020. So I'm not sure how exactly he's drawing his trend lines. Like I said, mine are broken at this point, but maybe there is another way to draw them. And his still says structure is intact. Here, XRP, USD, XRP, just showing another chart, how similar it looks to him compared to 2016, 2017, that it's ready to take off. And again here, showing the same thing basically. And finally here from Charting Guy, XRP, as I said yesterday, many altcoins just finished their 5-wave correction down from the March local top. The entire move has just been a macro wave 2. Wave 3 for alts is loading. So he thinks that was just a big macro wave 2, and now we are looking for a wave 3. Something along the lines of, I believe he's trying to say this. Where's the Elliot wave? Yeah, so he's saying, we started here, wave 1, wave 2, and then wave 3 would hopefully get us to all-time highs. I'm hoping higher. Wave 4, and then wave 5. Let's just go like $15. So that's what we're hoping for. Time will tell. We'll have to wait and see. All we can do is, take our best guess. So hopefully I can give you a little bit of hopium today. I know it sucks to see us breaking down on the macro chart, but again, it did happen in 2017. I haven't lost hope. I'm still holding. I always say I'm holding this till it makes me rich or till it makes me broke. So that's where I'm at. Hope I could give you something to hold on to for the day. And if you enjoyed, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.